Climbing an iconic Hong Kong landmark, capturing the dazzling cityscape under a supermoon, this is Drone and Fern. Welcome to another episode of Drone and Fern. It's already 6 p.m. in the afternoon now. What are we going to do today?
Well, we're heading up Kowloon Peak for a night walk. This is a hike your hike, but we don't have anyone who's recommended it other than lots of people online saying today is going to be a supermoon. So we cancelled our previous plans and we're going to be walking from Kowloon Peak right the way across to hopefully as far as Lions Rock at night. And we're now going up to catch the sunset. You ready for this, George?
Yeah, it's my first night hike and I'm very excited. Finger crossed to see the supermoon.
We got to start by getting up there. Let's go.
In this series of Drone and Fern, we are hiking your hike. Over the past 5 years, we have covered more than 50 Hong Kong hikes, but there are lots more hidden gems that we need you to help us find. So if you know a great hike not on our map, please let us know with a comment down below. In this episode, we walk along the Kowloon Ridge from Kowloon Peak all the way around to the iconic Lion Rock to get the best view of the supermoon. We start by taking a taxi from Choi Hong Station to the foot of Kowloon Peak and start the steep climb to its summit. Once we reached the top, the whole city was infilled with spectacular rays of light.
Well, George, I can tell you I have been up here many times, but none have been as spectacular as what we're getting right now.
It is my first time here. It's just amazing. I'm speechless now, you know.
Okay, so we're going to head out over. You can see Lion Rock over there. That's our plan. See if we can get there. Maybe even the furthest hill at the end. We'll see how we do. But it's going to be a really beautiful. It's already spectacular. If this moon comes out and we get this full harvest moon, it's going to be something else. So
yeah, definitely worth the hike.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah,
let's get going.
From Kowloon Peak, we followed the ridge towards Taste Can. The hike is stunning as sunset, with views over the city on one side and over the cyclone on the other. We reached the road where we joined the Wilson Trail and carried it on to a viewpoint. By the time we got there, the sun had set and the city was lit up. Sorry. Okay, let's pause for a second and enjoy the dazzling cityscape of Hong Kong. We then continued along Wilson Trail Section 4, a concrete path straight to the entrance of the Lion Rock Country Park. Then we climbed up to the peak. The path slowly brightened as we got closer to the top. Oh, it's the moonlight, the supermoon. Time to pause again to take this all in. From here, you can head back the same way you came in, or walk to the Lion Rock Head and look for a path that takes you down to Wang Dai Xin, like we did.
What's wrong, George?
It's too hot.
Come on, stand up. Okay, so this is the end of the episode. Unfortunately, George down there is too scared to stand up here. We've had a great day, George.
Yes, indeed. My first night hike. Amazing view. My first time to the Lion Walk here. Yeah.
We've been so lucky. It's been absolutely stunning. I really have not seen views like this ever since I've come to Hong Kong. Quite stunning indeed. A few shout outs.
To Kindness, thank you for a sponsor. We love using your stuff.
Okay. For now, my name is DJ Clark.
And I'm George.
And this
is Drone and Fern.